Once upon a time in a small village, nestled among rolling hills, there lived a Zen master known far and wide for his wisdom and serenity. His name was Master Hoshin, and people from near and far sought his counsel whenever they faced life's challenges. One day, a young villager named Koji approached Master Hoshin with a heavy heart. Koji had recently faced a string of setbacks. His crops had withered in a drought, his beloved horse had run away, and his wife had fallen ill. He felt overwhelmed by the weight of these hardships and sought solace in the wisdom of the Zen master. Koji bowed respectfully before Master Hoshin and said, "Master, I feel as though life has turned against me. With each challenge, I lose more hope. How can I find the strength to carry on?" Master Hoshin looked at Koji with compassionate eyes and replied, "Life, my dear Koji, is like the river that flows through our village. It has its twists and turns, its calm pools, and its raging rapids. But it is in the face of these challenges that we discover our true strength." Koji was puzzled. "But Master," he said, "how can I find strength in the face of such adversity? It feels as if life is testing me beyond my limits." Master Hoshin nodded and invited Koji to take a walk with him along the riverbank. As they walked, the master suddenly pushed Koji into the river. Koji gasped and struggled to stay afloat. He fought against the current with all his might, fearing for his life. After what seemed like an eternity, Master Hoshin pulled Koji out of the water. Koji was shaken and bewildered, struggling to catch his breath. Master Hoshin asked calmly, "Koji, when you were in the river, what did you want more than anything else?" Koji replied, "I wanted to breathe. I wanted to survive." Master Hoshin smiled and said, "Exactly, my dear Koji. When life challenges you and it feels like you are drowning in adversity, remember this. Just as you fought for each breath in the river, you must fight for each moment in life. Embrace the challenges, for they are the very air you need to grow and thrive." Koji's eyes widened as he began to understand the Zen master's lesson. Life's challenges were not meant to defeat him. They were the opportunities he needed to discover his inner strength and resilience. With newfound determination, Koji returned to his village. He cared for his wife, worked tirelessly to replant his crops, and searched diligently for his lost horse. Over time, he saw his life slowly but steadily improve. Each challenge that arose was met with a newfound sense of purpose and resilience. As the years passed, Koji became known in the village not for his hardships, but for his unwavering spirit and his ability to overcome any obstacle. And he knew, deep in his heart, that it was the wisdom of Master Hoshin that had shown him the way. So, remember the tale of Koji and Master Hoshin when life challenges you. Embrace those challenges, for they are the stepping stones to your inner strength and the path to your own growth and enlightenment. Just as the river shapes the stone, adversity shapes the soul.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos.